Hey guys, welcome to another night in the shop. I'm Fred. So tonight I'm going to try to finish off the cover for the rotary table. I'm making it out of aluminum, and we'll get some shots of that, but I wanted to show you a new purchase I made. I got a new, this is the old one, this is my old Lincoln 3350, and I purchased the new helmet 3350 with the 4C technology auto darkening lens on it. As we get older, everything starts to go, including our eyes, and I've been doing a lot of research, looking on the web, watching a lot of YouTube guys do demos on this helmet. So there's the new helmet, same body style as the old one. I like this style, and I've had that helmet for a very long time. We're talking, maybe 10 years. Anyway, so I got this one. This has got the what they call the 4C lens technology. So what this gives me the ability to do is, when I'm looking through it, I can see clear as day. There's no blue haze like I have on my old helmet here. Let me see if I can get the camera shot, and you can see the difference between the green and the blue. Okay, so this is the original just auto darkening lens by Lincoln on the 3350, and you can see it's got that bit of a green tint, and it's okay. This helmet's great. It still works well, but I just wanted clarity because I don't have a whole lot of good lighting in here, and when my helmet's down, I can't see very well. So anyway, so that's the older 3350, and there's the new lens. So the clarity is just so crystal clear, and that's what I wanted. So when my helmet's down, I don't have to keep flipping it up to see what's going on. So that's the new 3350 with the 4C technology. And apparently when you're welding, it does a real nice job of you can see almost everything, you know, other than the stuff you're not supposed to see. Anyway, so we're going to give this a shot today. Okay guys, we're back. And on another note, I got a couple comments there last week, very constructive, and I'm always happy to get comments on any project I do. So Everett and Howard sent me a comment about using these grub screws to hold down the plate on my rotary table, and they said, well, you know, maybe use brass or put a piece of plastic. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to clean the tops of these heads off, and I'll show you these grub screws. Just a big 3/8 scrub screw. I'm going to clean the head off and put a little bit of silicone bronze on there. So when I'm tightening it up, I'm not actually getting into the metal and gulling the D14 ears that are on the plate. So it won't make it a hassle for me to put it in the lathe if I ever need to put it in there again. So we're going to put a little bit of silicone bronze right on the tip. I'm going to give it a shot anyways. All right guys, so that's it. I'm going to be doing the welding. I'm not going to be doing a whole lot of talking. I'm just going to go with it, and I'll let the camera run. All right, you guys hang in there. Alright guys, I'm going to be back. Just going to clean this tungsten rod here. Okay guys, we're back. Okay guys, we're done. I'm gonna let that cool off. But I have to say, this helmet is the cat's meow. You can see the puddle, you can see everything. And my eyes aren't bugging out and not watering. This is truly a great helmet. I purchased this helmet from Canada Welding Supplies there a couple days ago. It came yesterday. Well worth the money, trust me. All right, guys, hang in there. Hey guys, okay, we're back. I can't touch that aluminum yet, but the my welds came out pretty decent. Little shaky hands, you know. Goes with the old age. So yeah, all the welds came out pretty good. I'm pretty happy about that. That's the cover for the back here to cover the pulley. I'm only putting the top on, no bottom, and a couple screws are going to be in the side there, right about there. And yeah, it'll be good to go. All right. Okay guys, we're back. Anyway, so yeah, welds turned out really good. I'm pretty happy. I don't do a lot of aluminum welding, but the welds came out good. I'm pretty happy about that. I got good penetration, didn't burn through, which is always good. Anyways, again, with this helmet, difference between night and day. My son's a welder or and a fitter, and he says, yeah, this technology is just the greatest. And you know, I'm always leery because I've got my old Lincoln, works well, but my eyes, I've got the bifocals on, and you know, I think every year the glass gets a little bit thicker as we get older. But this made a big difference. Doesn't interfere with wearing my glasses underneath here. And there's little clips on the inside, so you can put a set of cheater lenses in there. So whatever your prescription is, you can take your glasses off, put the cheater lens in there, and you're ready to rock and roll. So yeah, it's got lots of room. The viewing area is fantastic. That's one reason I went with the larger viewing area. I can see everything. And this one is the biggest viewing area out of all the helmets that I've researched. But I've always had great success with Lincoln, so I kind of stuck with it. And that's about it. Anyways, I'd like to say thanks to all my subscribers. Thanks to all my new subscribers. Thanks again to Canada Welding Supplies for getting me my lid. Yes, it's a great lid. All right, guys, you have a great night. Bye for now.